Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another video where I will be showing you how you can actually unhide your group from your GroupMe app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply start our video. So to do so, first thing first, go to your GroupMe app over there. For example, I will just tap on this group, particularly if you have hide some groups. So I will go to this profiles information, tap on the settings option below. You can see this option called hide chat, right? Tap on this hide chat and tap on this hide over here, so you can see that particular chat is hidden now. So what I will do is simply go ahead on my search and type the group's information, and then you will see finally I will get that group. Then I will tap on it again. I will go to this group's information, swipe down, go to settings over there, you can swipe down and see this option called unhide chat, right? Simply tap on that option, tap on unhide over here. You can see here in my this interface now this conversation is available over there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply unhide any group in your GroupMe app. And thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.